If you're over 50 and want to run faster, here's the good news. You may not need more fitness to improve your pace today. You may just need a few quick fixes. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple adjustments that can help you run faster almost instantly by improving efficiency, posture, and rhythm. These are not gimmicks. These are practical cues that can help older runners move better right away. Welcome back to the Ageless Runner. I'm Ralph, where we talk about how to run smarter, stay stronger, and keep improving. If you've ever had one of those days where you feel like you should be moving better than you are, this video is for you. Because a lot of older runners are not just losing speed from age alone. They're losing speed from things like posture drift, overstriding, upper body tension, slow rhythm, and inefficient mechanics. The good news is some of those things can be improved very quickly. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 quick fixes that can help you run faster today, not because they magically make you fitter, but because they help you run more efficiently. Let's get into it. The first quick fix, number 1, is simple: run taller. A lot of runners over 50 gradually start to lose speed because posture begins to break down. Maybe the shoulders round a little, maybe the chest drops, maybe the runner starts sitting back or bending at the waist. And when that happens, your stride often becomes less efficient. You're no longer moving forward as smoothly. You're starting to fight your own body position. So here's the cue: run tall. Think chest up, eyes forward, head stacked over your torso, and a slight lean from the ankles, not from the waist. That part matters. You do not want to hunch forward at the hips. You want your whole body to be gently angled forward as one unit. That small change can help you feel more balanced, more athletic, and more efficient almost immediately. And sometimes when posture improves, pace improves too, without extra effort. The second quick fix is this: stop trying to run faster by reaching farther out in front of you. This is one of the most common mistakes runners make. They want to speed up, so they try to cover more ground by throwing the foot farther forward. But usually that creates overstriding, and overstriding often acts like a brake. Your foot lands too far out in front of your body, and instead of smoothly carrying momentum forward, you're slowing yourself down every step. This is especially important after 50 because when mobility and stiffness change a bit, it becomes even easier to drift into a stride that looks longer but actually runs slower. So here's a better cue: land closer under your body. Instead of thinking reach farther, think turn over a little quicker. That one change can make your stride feel smoother, lighter, and faster. So if you want instant improvement, don't try to power your way to speed. Clean up your foot strike first. Number 3 is to slightly increase your cadence. Now let me be clear here. I am not saying everybody needs to chase some magical cadence number. This is not about forcing yourself to hit some exact steps per minute target. This is about rhythm. A lot of runners become slower than they need to because their stride gets a little too slow, a little too heavy, and a little too drawn out. So instead of trying to push harder, try this cue: quicker, lighter steps. That's it. Not frantic, not rushed, just slightly quicker, lighter turnover. This often helps 2 things right away. First, it reduces overstriding, and second, it improves rhythm. And when rhythm improves, pace often gets easier. One of the best simple cues here is quick feet or light feet. You want to feel less like you're muscling the run and more like you're rolling through it smoothly. For many runners, that small cadence adjustment can create an almost immediate change in how efficient the run feels. Quick fix number 4 is one that many runners completely overlook, and that is relax the upper body. A lot of runners carry far more tension than they realize. The shoulders creep up, the hands clench, the arms get tight, the jaw gets tight, and suddenly the whole stride starts looking rigid. When that happens, you waste energy, and wasted energy is the enemy of speed. So here are a few simple cues. Drop the shoulders. Unclench the hands. Keep the arms moving back and forth rather than swinging across the body. And that last one is so important. If your arms swing too much across your body, you're creating extra side-to-side movement that doesn't help you move forward. Think about keeping your arms moving in the direction you want to go. You want your arms to support that forward motion, not add tension or twist. A relaxed upper body often makes the whole stride look smoother. And smoother usually means more efficient, and more efficient means what? Faster. This is one of those changes that doesn't look dramatic, but you can feel it almost immediately. Now our last quick fix, number 5, is to give your body a quick reminder of what faster running actually feels like. And the easiest way to do that is with a short controlled pickup. I'm talking about 15 seconds, 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds at most. Not a sprint, not an all-out effort, just a short stretch of quicker, smoother running where you focus on the cues we just talked about. Run tall, land under you, quick feet, relaxed upper body. Sometimes the body simply needs to rehearse better mechanics. Because when you've been plodding a little, shuffling a little, or getting tight, a short control pickup can wake things back up. It helps reconnect you with good rhythm and good form. This is one reason strides can be so useful. They're not just about speed. They're about reminding your body how efficient running is supposed to feel. So if you want an instant fix during a run, try a short control pickup and focus on form, not effort. That can sometimes reset the whole run. Now let's keep this honest. These 5 quick fixes can help you run faster instantly in the sense that they can improve your mechanics, your efficiency, and the way pace feels right away. They do not replace actual training. Long-term speed still comes from the big things: smart structure, proper recovery, enough easy running, strength, consistency, and staying healthy enough to keep running. So the point of this video is not to say that speed is easy. The point is that sometimes you can run faster right now by moving better. And for older runners, that matters. Because after 50, you do not want to chase speed just by forcing harder effort all the time. That usually backfires. You want to run faster by becoming more efficient, more coordinated, and more economical. That is the smarter path. So here's the question. Which of these 5 quick fixes do you think would help your running the most? Would it be running taller, landing on your body, a quicker cadence, relaxing the upper body, or using short control pickups? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a like. And if you enjoy practical, science-informed advice for running better after 50, make sure you subscribe to The Ageless Runner. Because you don't have to train like you're 25 to keep improving, but you do need to train and move smarter. I'll see you in the next video.